everyone, Sara here from PlantX. I am back again to share another great recipe to fuel your fitness. Today we'll be making this delicious high protein baked oats that has one special ingredient, the zucchini. You're probably wondering, Sara, why are we adding zucchini to baked oats? My answer is it's full of vitamins, antioxidants, and so many other benefits, and it also adds volume to the dish without adding too many calories. And you can't even taste it. So before we get started, let me know if you've used the zucchini in any of your recipes, and if you think you're gonna like this recipe. So like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get started. Have it, this delicious, high-protein, plant-based breakfast. Be sure to tune in next week for another amazing recipe. And also let me know in the comments what you want to see. I'll see you then.